Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Welcome to Cooking Time with Kevin. I'm your host, Donnie Chen. And today we're making an Indian classic, Chicken Tikka Masala. Or as I like to call it, Chicken Tikka McKevin. The ingredients you'll be needing for this dish are chicken, turmeric, cayenne pepper, coriander, and great value ground cumin. You might also want to get a couple other spices such as garam masala that make the chicken tikka masala what it is. But I don't have any, so that's why it's chicken tikka McKevin. You'll also need plain yogurt, the cheapest tomato sauce you can find, and tomato paste. You might also want to get some onions, butter, garlic, and ginger, but I don't have any because I'm broke ass. The first step to making chicken tikka McKevin, marinating your chicken. First, go ahead and add a finagle of turmeric, a kinkle of cumin, a farbdarble of ground coriander, and around a flagellum of cayenne pepper, depending on how spicy you want it. Now it's time to add our yogurt. Go ahead and add around a rice cooker full of vanilla yogurt, but don't add too much. Now you just want to sift that all together. Looking. Now what you want to do is add a cover and leave it in your fridge for at least 30 minutes. Overnight is preferable. Alright, now we want to cut the onion. And if you're like me, you probably suck at cutting shit, so... God damn it, this knife sucks. Ooh, fuck, I'm gonna cry. Damn it. Oh, it hurts. I'm crying. I am crying. Just like that. Let's just, use this technique. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, God. I don't cry. What do you mean? I want to chop the garlic. Just a little smash, 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 just to get the skin off. Alright, and we can honestly just put that with the onion. We got a saucepan, we turn on the stove to medium. Let's put in a little bit of butter. Be generous with the butter. You want to caramelize the onion, so it's going to cook for a while. You really want that onion to caramelize. And you want to cook that very slowly. And we can go ahead and add just, a flickle of salt. A flickle. That's F-L-I-C-K-L-E. A flickle. Look it up. We're going to go ahead and add our spices from earlier. Let's do a flipple of cayenne, because Viren likes it spicy. A kinkle of ground cumin. Snit of ground coriander. Okay. Cuck. A cuck of turmeric. Just a cuck. Beautiful. Alright. We're going to add our tomato paste. Alright, now we're going to add our tomato sauce. We're going to turn up the heat just a little bit. And we're going to use some water just to clean up our pan a bit. To lighten the sauce a bit. Just a little bit of water. Beautiful. And we're just going to add a dash of salt. Did I say dash? I meant sash. A sash of salt. Not too much. Last time I fucked up, I added too much salt. Our chicken, we're going to heat up a pan to high. And we're going to add just a little bit of vegetable oil. It's good. Adding the chicken is going to get pretty freaking steamy here. Oh, there we go. It's cooking. Alright, get in here, cameraman. Next step, the yogurt. We're going to add the yogurt. Just a flipple of yogurt. Alright, perfect. And look at that color change to a beautiful, rich orange.
Is that actually how it's made?
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Flip it a couple times. Yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. Alright, chicken looks pretty good. Turn off the stove. We're going to transfer that into the sauce right now. Just going to take it. I'm going to slow-mo this. Ooh. Alright, it's pretty much done. This is so good, guys. Oh yeah. Delicious. Well, there you have it, guys. Impress your white friends with this Indian classic, Chicken Tikka Masala. I'm your host, Donnie Chen. Thanks for watching, and make sure you tune in next time to Cooking Time with Kevin.